In this video, I will show you how to upload your contacts to Facebook. So let's get started. You can upload your contacts from your mobile phone to Facebook and this will help you find friends on Facebook. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap profile icon located at the bottom right side. Tap settings and privacy. Now tap settings. Next, tap account center. On account centers page, tap your information and permissions. Tap upload contacts. Now select Facebook account. Here you will find an option upload contacts with toggle button. Just enable the toggle button and tap continue. Once you turn on mobile contact uploading, your contacts will automatically be uploaded to Facebook when you open your app again. So that is how you can upload your contacts to Facebook. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.